Hello, friends. Today I would be talking about acceptance and surrender. I think that would be some topic which we have not covered yet because there was no need to talk about those things before. But now, when we are in this time of pandemic where there is so much of stress and so much of tension, I felt there is a need to talk about these topics now. We have always been told about motivation. I've always also spoken about how to have goals in life to achieve them. But now going to talk about some other topic. It is about how we always are about winning, which is good, but now in today's time, when there is so much of stress, I would like to talk about acceptance. Most of the time, we keep fighting with the situation which we are currently in, and that also creates a lot of stress where we are like, oh no, this shouldn't be this way, I had my plans, why all these things are happening, right? So the wise decision would be to accept the situation. It is like certain times we cannot fight nature, we cannot fight the decisions of the universe, okay? So we just accept. Okay, we accept that, okay, now this is the situation we are in. We might be having some issues related to work, we might be having issues related to what is happening around, some negativity that way. So there are many things which are not in our control. So what makes it easy is to accept that, okay, there are these situations which are not in my control, no problem. It is like I accept that all the time I won't be in the driver's seat. Sometime I'm in the passenger seat. So just accept. Okay, your driver is taking some sudden twist, some sudden turn. Accept that, okay, that driver is driving in a way which is different than what I would drive, but let me trust. Let me accept. Okay, it is going to be safe. So that is about acceptance, where we are like accepting any particular situation, okay, as it is, without actually thinking that it could have been better if I would have done this, or why this is happening. Because now we have to understand that we are not in the driver's seat in this phase of life, we are in the passenger seat. So just in the meantime, look outside, look at the view, try to enjoy even when you are in the passenger seat. Okay, not necessary that all the time we have to be in the driver's seat. Even in passenger seat we can be very relaxed and we can enjoy whatever is happening, just without getting connected. We just observe, look for the positive things. See, when we are traveling by road, there could be lots and lots of garbages, but there can be very good beautiful sights too. It is about what we focus on. So let us focus on some beautiful waterfalls on the way, like in the journey. It could be something like some green forest, or trees, or some beautiful flowers. So let us focus on that. The second thing I could talk about is surrender. And what we mean by surrender, like completely giving the uh, belief, or you're in the belief that I'm safe, I'm taken care of. Now why surrender? Because somewhere everybody is having this fear, what would happen, what would happen. Nothing. Let us surrender. When we were in mother's womb, we never thought about whether my mother would take care of myself. We just surrendered. We knew that we would be taken care of. Likewise, why not surrender now? Just surrender that we would be taken care of. We are safe in the hands of the nature, or in the womb of the universe. We are just safe. Whatever happens, there could be some, like how in mother's womb you might have certain sudden turns and twists and sudden jerks, but you were safe. Likewise, this is a time like that, when our mother is just taking some twists and turns here and there, but we all are safe. Let us believe, let us accept and surrender that we are safe. Once we surrender to the universe, all of us, we would be much peaceful, happier, relaxed, calm. It is all about acceptance and surrender.